We have the option for the 175 centimeter gap of the white doors or one single long door. This gap leaves space for a narrow, deep shelving unit on wheels. Let's make a rolling shelf beside the kimchi refrigerator. First, I'll disassemble an old cabinet.
Oh, Grant, why do you fix the holder over there?
I'll put a handle here and a handle here, so it will be easy to pull out the rolling shelf. I reused all this hardware. Next, I trimmed all of the boards and put it back together with some wheels on the bottom. So I'm attaching the wheels to the bottom board in this pattern, so the shelf will roll. I made 5 holes for easy access to the back of the shelves. I painted the edges of the openings. This
You're going to fix this?
onto the top, and then I'll attach a door onto the front of it.
What is different?
So I'm going to use the flathead screws where the metal passes over it, and I'll put the big head screws at the top.
This is big one.
I glued the edge from the original door onto the new door. I added a little bit more material under the right side to make it square. Finally, the finished product looks like a match.
Thank you for watching.